Hello everyone. For this project we'll need just a few supplies. We'll need some polyfill in order to stuff our eggs. You could also use poly pellets, but for mine I want to use the polyfill. I'm going to be using a 3.5mm crochet hook, scissors in order to cut our yarn. I won't be using one, but it is a good useful resource, a clippable stitch marker to mark the beginning and ends of your rows in order to keep count for repeats per row. A darning needle, we'll be using this at the end to weave in our ends and help weave in the very bottom edge of our egg more. I am using, this is Mandala Ombre yarn by Lion Brand. It's a number 4 weight and the color is Happy. I picked this one because it gives a wide variety of different colors inside of the cake, and I'm usually able to get 2-3 eggs per color before it changes again. To begin, we want to create a magic ring. So hold your yarn between your thumb and forefinger, wrap around your 2 fingers with the working end facing you, and then just slightly lay it back. Grab our hook, go between our 2 fingers and grab the working end of the yarn to pull up a loop. From here we just chain 1 in order to secure the magic ring. Now going forward, what we want to do is put 6 single crochets into the magic ring. And then we'll go ahead and pull the tail of our magic ring in order to close. And there we are with row 1. For round 2, we're going to start working right into that first single crochet from the previous row. And for this, we're going to be working in the round, so there won't be a chain 1 or a slip stitch in between rows. So into that first stitch, we're going to put 2 single crochets, and then we're going to put 2 single crochets into each of the next 5 stitches. So round 2 will end up having a total of 12 single crochet stitches. And there we are with the end of round 2. For round 3, we're going to simply single crochet once into your next 12 stitches. And there we are with the end of round 3, which had also 12 stitches. For round 4, we're going to put 2 single crochets into our first stitch, and then 1 single crochet into your next stitch. And we're going to repeat this 5 more times. 2 single crochets into the first stitch, 1 single crochet into the second stitch, and this round will end up having a total of 18 stitches made. And there we are for the end of round 4. For round 5, we'll simply single crochet once into your next 18 stitches. And there we are with the end of round 5, which also had 18 stitches for that round. For round 6, we'll put 2 single crochets into our first stitch, 1 single crochet into your next 2 stitches, and we want to repeat this 5 more times. 2 single crochets into your first stitch, 1 single crochet into your next 2 stitches. This round will end up having a total of 24 stitches made. And there we are with the end of round 6. For round 7, we want to simply single crochet once into your next 24 stitches. And there we are with the end of round 7. For round 8, we want to put 2 single crochets into our first stitch, 1 single crochet into our next 3 stitches, and we want to repeat this 5 more times. 2 single crochets into your first stitch, 1 single crochet into your next 3 stitches. This round will end up having a total of 30 stitches made. And there we are with the end of round 9, or 8, sorry. For rounds 9 and 10, we want to simply single crochet once into your next 30 stitches. And there we are with the end of round 10. For round 11, we want to decrease. So go into your first stitch, pull up a loop, go into your second stitch and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and go through all 3 loops. And then we want to single crochet once into your next 3 stitches. And we want to repeat this 5 more times. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet into your next 3 stitches. And this round will end up having a total of 24 stitches made. And there we are with the end of round 11. For round 12, we want to single crochet once into your next 24 stitches. And there we are with the end of round 12. For round 13, we're going to again decrease into our first stitch. And then we're going to single crochet once into our next 2 stitches. And we just want to repeat this 5 more times. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet into your next 2 stitches. This round will end up having a total of 18 stitches made. And there we are with the end of round 13. For round 14, we're going to simply single crochet once into your next 18 stitches. And there we are with the end of round 14. For round 15, we're going to single crochet, decrease, and then single crochet once into your next stitch. And we're going to repeat this 5 more times. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet into your next stitch. This round will end up having 12 stitches. And there we are with the end of round 15. From here we want to pull up a loop so we can remove our hook. Now we're going to want to start stuffing the egg. Now that you have your egg stuffed as much or as little as you wish, reinsert your hook. Now for our last round, round 16, we're going to single crochet, decrease 6 times, and there we are with the end of round 16. From here, we'll pull up a loop and tie off. Now I'm going to thread my yarn into my darning needle. And then to sew it shut so it's very nice, we're going to take our darning needle and into the front loop only, around the very top, or at least the loop closest to us right here. Just bring our darning needle right through. 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's our 6th stitch. And then we just pull that tight. And as you can see, it creates a very tight closing for that opening. And then just simply weave in that end. And there we are. We have our little crochet Easter egg. And you can go ahead and trim off any little flyaways, especially from the very beginning tail. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a little thumbs up like. Let me know in the comment section. And if you have yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button and go ahead and hit also that bell notification next to it so you can get a heads up every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.